Welcome to Dove in Head First. My name is Lucy, and in today's video, we are making my daughter a pair of shorts. Not just any shorts, we are making BOUJIE pajama set. And the best part, this project is ridiculously easy. So easy, in fact, that if you can sew in a straight line, you really have no excuse not to try it. I started with a pair of pajama pants that already belonged to my daughter, and we're going to use these as our pattern. No fancy drafting, no complicated measurements, and absolutely no need to reinvent the wheel. I took just over a yard of fabric. It's 60 inches wide, folded into half, and I placed my pants, as you can see. Now, because we are making shorts, I only need half the length of the pants. And this is why I love sewing. You can take something you already own, use it as a template, and create something completely new. So I traced around the pants, making sure to leave enough room for seam allowance. Then came one of my favorite sewing tools, my electric box cutter. Let me tell you, this thing has changed my sewing life. It's fast, precise, and it saves so much time. Now, if you're new to using an electric cutter, please take your time with it. Don't just switch it on and start attacking your fabric like it's a race. I've used mine for quite a while, so I know how it moves, how much pressure to use, and how quickly it cuts. And once you've got the hang of it, game changer. So one leg is cut, and here's another little sewing shortcut. Instead of tracing everything all over again, I simply took the piece I've already cut, placed it on the folded fabric, and used it as a template for the second leg. And just like that, we have two short legs. Now, if you're looking at these two pieces and thinking, how on earth are these going to become shorts? Don't worry, we're getting there. First, I placed it on top of the shorts of my pattern to show you, as you can see. And then I joined the inseams of both legs. Once those are sewn, I placed the two pieces together and stitched from the waist around the crotch and back up the other side. And just like that, we officially have the beginning of a pair of shorts. Honestly, this is one of those projects where you keep looking at it and thinking, surely it can't be this easy. But it is. Next, I finished the hems, just a simple fold, press, and straight stitch around the bottom of each leg. And now we are moving on to the waistband. Because these are pajama shorts, comfort is non-negotiable. So, of course, you're using elastic. I had already joined my elastic into a loop. And now I'm dividing it into 4 sections, front, back, and both sides. And this little trick makes attaching elastic so much easier. I mark 4 points on the elastic and match them to the 4 points on the waistband. Then I stitched it into place using a straight line. And look at that. We've got a beautifully gathered waistband. Now I simply fold the fabric over the elastic and again sew straight lines in about 6 points. And at this point, I'm thinking, okay, this actually looks like something. And then, voila, our BOUJIE pajama shorts are done. Look at this, simple, cute, comfortable, and most importantly, my daughter can now sleep in style. And of course, you can't have BOUJIE pajama shorts without the matching top and eye mask. So yes, I made this too. I'll have tutorials coming for both, so if you want to see them, complete pajama set, make sure you stick around. And now it's time for the most important part of our sewing project, the fashion show. Here comes our model. And yes, we are taking this very seriously.